Aloha, welcome to KTA Quick and Ono Recipes. I'm Chef Michi, and today we're going to be making Portuguese bean soup with ulu. Start by boiling the ham shank or hock in water for at least 1 hour or more until the meat is easy to pull off the bone. Keep adding water to maintain the original level of the water when you started. This is my secret weapon, as this liquid is the stock for your soup. When the ham is soft, remove from heat and use tongs to remove from the stock and set aside to cool. When ham is cool, remove the meat from the bones, cut into small pieces, and set aside stock and the ham pieces. Use a large pot to make your soup. Start by heating it over medium heat, adding the oil and sautéing the onion for about 3 minutes. As you sauté, add in the paprika and granulated garlic. When the onion starts to look translucent, add the Portuguese sausage and continue to sauté for 3 to 4 minutes. Add the diced tomato and all of the stock. Bring back to a gentle simmer, then add ulu, carrot, and celery. Continue to simmer for 30 to 40 minutes, then add the kidney beans and cabbage. If the soup is too thick, add some tap water. Season to taste with garlic salt and black pepper and add the parsley. For this recipe and more, visit ktasuperstores.com/recipes.